Technology is part of our lives and we cannot live without it.
It joins all the people in the world in an instant. Everyone is part of that technological world. For example, to be able to work, to chat, for meeting code, or just to be entertained.
We are all interconnected, allowing us to exchange from New York to Paris to London. It enables the development of our modern world as we know it. All this is possible thanks to one thing, the binary language. Let's introduce the LearnAry.
IT and digital professions are expanding quickly, so it is important for future to approach these aspects from an early age for our kids, especially the binary.
The binary is the language which is the basis of computers, concretely a code formed by 0 and 1. However, it is quite difficult to learn, so we decided to simplify it with our product, the LearnAry.
My name is Nathan Robert.
And my name is Luc Bernard. We are the team creator of the LearnAry. The LearnAry is a learning system designed for kids, which allows young people to discover and learn binary numbers, which is the fundamentals of computer science.
With several levels of difficulty for different skill level and age, it teaches how to code a decimal number into a binary number. This learning system is perfectly suited for children due to its hardware, screenless and intuitive design.
It is composed of 4 cards representing the 1 or 0 of binary that you can flip to create a binary code.
With its first mode, simply turn the card to compose your binary number, and you will have the real-time conversion to decimal.
Once you have learned how it works, you can challenge yourself with the second mode, a game on binary numbers coding. The rules are simple. The screen displays a decimal number, and the goal is to form the corresponding binary out of 10 different codes.
We really wanted to create an intuitive and very easy to use system. Starting with a blank sheet of paper, we spent many months of thinking, prototyping and testing to get the perfect model.
For the design of LearnAry, we used Onshape so that both of us could work on the same time and on the same project to create the best version for our model.
We were able to identify many errors thanks to the 3D simulation on Onshape before printing, saving a lot of time and money.
Our 3D printed product is made with quality components, is very durable and strong.
For the electronic, we programmed with an electronic microbit card using Python that we choose for its durability. You can also take it anywhere, ideal for children.
Providing both fun and learning, the LearnAry is the new generation of children's toy. Shop now your new favorite toy.